this video, we will show you how to set a static IP on Windows 10. First, we can change our network. Because we are using Wi-Fi, we can right-click in here and choose Open Network and Internet Settings. And select Change Adapter Options. Then, in here, we need to change the IP from DHCP to static in the Wi-Fi. If you are using cable, you can change on this. Because we are using Wi-Fi for internet connection, we can double click in here and click the tiles to see this is the details of our IP address request by DHCP. If we want to using static, we can note this and change to static with right click and choose properties. Then click Internet Protocol version 4 or TCP or IP version 4 and then click properties and use the following IP address. Type IP address that we get on DHCP and we can also using DNS server provided by Google. We can click yes and then click close. We can double click again or click properties again and check once again. You can see because this is still blank, we can provide the gateway. Click OK. And then our IP address is static in here and will never change. You can see there. Now we can also open google.com to see if we are connected to internet. That's all tutorial how to set a static IP on Windows 10.